Hello guys and welcome back to Pretty Peach Blossom. So today I am going to show you how I create this makeup look using mainly Charlotte Tilbury products. I am probably going to list them as we go along so you can see what products I use. I would call this natural. It's not quite a no makeup look, but it's quite a natural makeup look with lashes, which I'm trying more to incorporate in my makeup routine. I hope you enjoy it and you feel inspired. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my 2019 spring summer makeup routine. I am going to start off with time-lapsing my eyes. If you really like them, I can then do a separate tutorial for that. I will speak to you later after I am starting to apply my foundation, because that's what this video is all about, my spring summer foundation routine. It's going to be more of a glowy, dewy. I always tend to gravitate more towards Korean beauty. So it's going to be a sort of like a glass look routine. I hope you enjoy it. If it inspires you, don't forget to let me know in the comments.